Hi, my name is Dhyandev. As a first year engineering student and taking the course EECS 1011, I was supposed to make a major project that is something unique using the Arduino board and sensors on it. I have decided to make a home security system which can be activated when someone breaks into the house or uses flashlight or makes the slightest sound. This is all the hardware that you need for this project. I am just using an Arduino board and a cable to connect the D5 pin to the LED. Also, well, you need a micro USB cable to connect to a computer. For input sensors, we will be using the light sensor and the microphone on the Arduino board to see if someone breaks into a home. For as an output, we will be using the buzzer, the LED, and also the speakers on my computer. Now I'll be giving this smart system some situations. I'll be turning on my flashlight and I will not be pointing it directly towards the sensor. I'll be pointing it in the opposite direction. And for the sake of the experiment, I will hit no when it asks me for the key. So I'll press no.
Hi, this is the smart security system. I can see you. Police is on their way.
So now instead of making the flashlight on, I'll be making a little bit of noise. And for the sake of the experiment, I'll be choosing the wrong password when it asks for the correct key.
Hi, this is the smart security system. I can hear you. Police is on their way.
Now, in a situation, if this was triggered by mistake, what shall the person do to deactivate it? So I'll be running the code and as you can see, it asks me for the pin and yes, it says to press the secret button while clicking on the key. So I'll be pressing on the D6 button and then hit the key. It will automatically deactivate the alarm. Also, in a situation if the burglar somehow guesses the pin but does not press the D6 button, this code will continue its loop and start running. So let's check it out. So as you can see, the siren should trigger right now. And if I hit yes and then choose the correct pin but not press the D6 button, it will keep on working. And that's how we know that it's working. So now that we have seen how the system works, now let's see how the code actually runs to make the system work. So first of all, I assign some values like 0.25 0.25 volts is the reading of the A6 sensor in a dark room, and this is the reading of A2 sensor in a quiet room. And then I start my while loop, and these are the variables that I assign to the values of the A6 and A2 sensor, which like it reads frequently, and give the if statement that if the current value of light is greater than no light, it will turn on the siren and the LED for 2 seconds, and then use the function light password. Now this light password is a function that I created. It's generally just like a question dialog. It gives us it gives first of all it asks if we know the answer or no, and if we hit yes, it gives us two options, one of which is correct. So this is correct, and like there is an else statement that it will play warning. This is another function that I created, which is just like an MP3 play. Like it plays the MP3 that is pre-decoded, and in this light password, or else it also gives this same warning. And there is the sound password. This is basically the whole same thing as light password, but instead I'm using a sound warning, which is like instead of saying see and the smart system saying see you, it says I can hear you. That's all the difference. And now at the end I end all my if else and the while loop.